Welcome to my first Backroads Dev Log. My name is Phoenix, and I am building this game, the Backroads. I've made this video to kind of keep track of development as we go. Right now, we're in the very, very beginning stages. I'm just now starting to build things. Um, I'm just getting the movement working right now. The movement's a little different from normal games, where you might use WASD, whereas this game will keep you on a track and move you from one point to another. So I'm getting familiar with that movement system and how to use that. And this playground, testing ground, is to just make sure that things work. So in my playground here, I actually can't move the mouse at all because I've restricted the camera movement to 0 here. But if I hit A and go to the camera testing room, we can see that I can move up. I can look up 40 degrees, I can look down 40 degrees, but I can't look like all the way up and down, and I can only look left and right up to 90 degrees. Um, so I can look all around, but your camera is restrained. And that is because with this game, you're going to be in a car, and you can't exactly turn your head 180 degrees around without moving your entire body safely in a car. Um, so that is our camera movement system. So first I had to figure out how to actually move the player from one point to another. So that's what the second point is just to move from one spot to another. And then kind of same thing with C, except you're moving between 2 points. We get to point number 2 and then point number 3. And the next thing I'm going to work on is getting the camera to actually turn with you and move in an arc instead of straight. If you notice, we kind of just go to point 1 and then straight over to point 2, or 2 to 3. But in a car, you don't exactly just angle immediately to the right. You would take a curved turn. So I'm going to work on implementing that as well. So those are the features we have so far. I hope you continue to follow along my journey of making my first actual game where I'm like the only developer.